Hello there, my name is Nitin, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create custom node templates using Supanote. So first, click on the profile icon here, go to Settings, click on Custom Templates here, and this is where your custom templates live, all the old ones as well. To create a new one, just click on the Create Template button. There's two ways in which you can create a custom node template on Supanote. One is you can simply copy and paste an existing node from your EHR or any place else, and it'll actually create a template from there. The others you can start from scratch. I'll show you the copy paste method first. But before I do that, I just want to show you what the template that I'm actually going to paste in here looks like, just so you can get a sense for it. Just give me a second. Okay, so here I have an empty note template. By empty, I mean it just has a section headings and nothing inside. It doesn't have to be that way. You can actually paste an entire note with filled in notes. That's probably better, and I'll tell you about that in a moment. It also has all of this other kind of note header, etc. Right? So I'm just going to copy all of this. You can even do a Control A and then just select the whole thing, copy. I'm just going to pop over into Supanote, click on Use Existing Note, and then just simply paste the entire thing. Right? You can see it's actually pasted all the unnecessary stuff here as well, which is from the header and so forth. I'm just going to leave that. Click on Process Note. Takes a few seconds to parse everything out. Okay, so there we have it. The first thing I'd like you to note here is you can see it's pretty smart in that it was able to analyze it and then structure it and then ignore all the unnecessary details. And then just from the section headers, um, actually come up with the entire template. Now, the way the template builder works is you have these individual blocks. So a block is basically a section in a note. And then you have this text box within, which actually describes in plain English, natural language, what the section should contain, both in terms of content and stylistic or formatting preferences. So you can see here, for instance, session focus, brief section describing the main focus or topic of the therapy session, likely written in a concise narrative style, right? So all of this just from that template, and same for everything else. Now, were this to be a full note that I pasted in this, it would have a lot more information on stylistic preferences and so forth, and it would be more detailed, right? So it's pretty powerful right out the gate. Now, once it's done this, you can actually, let's say you want some more nuances, you want to change something, you can go back into each of these boxes here and add any more details, right? So let's say you don't want this to be a concise narrative section. You can say, hey, write it in bullets, right? Uh, And same with content. You can actually tell it what you want included. Now, you can also add fully custom blocks from here. So for example, let's say within custom here, editable custom section, click the add to template, and that adds this here. You can name this whatever you like. Let's say presenting problems, just as an example, and then go here and you can describe what you want included in this section, right? Um, and including stylistic preferences. You can do the same thing with standard blocks, right? When I say standard blocks, those would be, let's say, your commonly used SOAP, DAP, BIRP notes, and so forth. You can go here. Let's say you want subjective included. Click Add to Template. And for the standard ones, it actually also has instructions on what the template should be. Again, you can augment this, change it however you'd like, right? So all of these different things. And once you're happy with all of this, click on Save Template. Oh, one more thing before I do that. You can actually reorder the blocks like that, right? You can delete blocks even. Okay. So once you're done with all of that, click on Save. I actually like to use the Show Example feature, which simulates what the note would look like in the custom template, right? So I'm going to just click on Show Example. Takes a couple of seconds. And there, so it's simulated what a note using this template that we've just created would look like. If you're happy with it, you can save. If not, you can go back to editing, fine tune. So really like to use this to kind of get it to a place where I really like it. For now, I'm just going to click on save. So that's how you would do using the copy paste method. Now, to create a template using from scratch, just click on scratch. And then it's really the same thing. It's just that you would have to build it up block by block. So again, fully custom blocks, you would add that, describe what you want the block to be, or the standard ones. Thank you very much.